Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Drake Tax software step by step clearly. Begin by closing the Drake Tax software if it is currently running. Open the control panel on your computer. You can find the control panel by clicking the Start menu. In the Start menu, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the control panel is open, locate Programs and click on it. Then, click on Programs and Features. This will display a list of all the installed software on your computer. Scroll through the list to find Drake Tax. Once you locate it, click on Drake Tax to select it. Next, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to begin the removal process. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen. You may need to confirm that you want to uninstall the software. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once finished, close the control panel. To ensure all components are removed, it's a good idea to restart your computer. After rebooting, check your installed programs again to confirm Drake Tax is no longer listed. If you encounter any issues during the uninstallation, consider running the Drake Tax uninstaller directly from the software's installation folder. This can provide a more thorough removal if needed. Once you've successfully uninstalled the software, you can proceed with any further actions required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.